Hey y'all, welcome back. Hold on, I kind of like y'all zoomed in, but it's like I ain't gonna lie, I kind of want y'all to see my shirt because it's cute. One shot it out, one shot it in. It's super cute, but yeah, I think I'm gonna zoom y'all in. I play too much. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing this fall look. Yeah, I got on lash extensions, so I risked putting on falsies on top of my extensions, even though like it's low-key time for a few and I kind of want something longer too. But yeah, this is the look we're going for today on this eye. So let's go ahead and get right into it, y'all. Okay, so I haven't done a tutorial in so long, so I feel like I haven't like been up to date with like makeup and like different techniques and stuff. So y'all finna see me using the same stuff. So yeah, but I'm finna use my P. Louise base in the shade 5. So like, y'all like, girl, how you gonna just give us a Valentine's Day look and then pop back up with a fall look? It's been 7 months, so a lot has happened in 7 months. I finally moved out and I'm so happy. I just don't understand. I'm just so happy. Like, I got my own place now, and I didn't do an empty apartment tour because everything happened so fast, y'all. It's a long story. I will fill y'all in on that later if y'all interested in knowing. But I am moved in and still waiting on some of my furniture, so when my living room set gets here, I will do a fully furnished apartment tour for y'all. I missed y'all so much too. Like, y'all don't even understand. This is why I don't talk about makeup, because y'all see how long it just took me to blend that. It should not taking me that long. For my first color, I'm using my 3503 palette, y'all. This is the perfect palette for fall. Like, is it not? I think this is a fall. I mean, it's fall color. What is this one actually called? It's fall color, so I thought it was like the best one to use. I'm taking this color right here, by the way. This is why I don't be talking in my videos, because I just will literally either start talking to y'all and then not make progress on my makeup, or I'll just stop talking and focus on my makeup. So I ordered my living room set because I went and looked at some and I couldn't find anything that I really liked, and things I did like, they was out of my budget. Like, they was just too far out of my budget. And so I sat down, I know, all of 3 or 4 times and tried to record a video, and it was just something about every single last video I recorded that I just did not like. And it got to the point so I started to feel like the whole sitting down in front of the camera thing just was not for me no more. I'm gonna use this orange, and then I also used some of the orange Art of Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2 palette. But yeah, I just was not feeling it. I don't know what my issue is. It's like I want to do this, but it's like at the same time, it's like, why am I not feeling it? Like, I feel like I haven't really been able to just get into it like I used to. Like, I just stopped liking them. And it's like, no matter how hard, I wish I knew exactly how many videos I tried to record and they just failed. This yellow y'all see me using is also from the Jaclyn Hill volume 2. Really with my yellows, I don't really blend too much. You really could just take your brush and just kind of tap it on there, tap the rest off, and then just hit one of them. Well, it don't look that good, I ain't even gonna lie. You might have to do a little blending, but that works sometimes, like, because I know sometimes when you try to blend yellow, it'll just blend away instead of actually sticking. It's like a little bit of this red color. It look kind of orange on camera, but it's red, and then you could just pop that in here and it'll bring, my neighbors are so loud, and it'll just bring out this orange. Then I'm gonna just take the brush that I blended my base with. This part in the video, I actually did stop talking, but everything I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory. But I just wanted to tell you guys, like, I really did miss you guys. Like, I really missed recording. And this time 2 years ago is when my channel like really took off, and it's popping up in my memory on Snap, and it just really made me like, dang, like I really used to love doing this. Like I really was really into it. Like nobody could tell me nothing about my videos. Like I was recording, editing, and uploading all in the same day. Like, I just really was so in love with it, and I really want to get back to being like that, because like I said, I really enjoy doing makeup. Have you ever heard of Blast and Bino? I don't know how to say his last name, but they sound so good together. Like, I just discovered like them together, and like I'm obsessed. Like, I already listened to, like, they got 2 albums together, and I think I listened to one by like one of Blast's albums by himself. But y'all, like, it just sounds so good together. Oh my god. Okay, so like I mentioned, I'm pretty much using the same products that I used to use. I'm gonna shade Mocha in the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm just putting it all over my face. I don't know why I chose to do it like that today, because I used to just use my hand or my fingers, but I'm using the Real Techniques brush to blend all of that out. I really feel like I can go a shade maybe darker in this foundation. I really feel like I need to go get color matched again, because this is a little bit too light for me now, as you guys can see, because my neck and my chest are 50 different colors. Like, I don't know why my skin decided to be difficult, but yeah, and here I'm just contouring with this foundation stick from Black Opal. We're also going to blend that with a Real Techniques brush, and then for my highlight underneath my eyes and everywhere else, I'm also using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation concealer in the shade Butterscotch. I'm just so weak because I already edited the video, and I'm trying to hurry up and talk with the video, and it's messing me up because I forgot I sped all of this up. But I didn't want this video to be too long, so y'all, I always go in with a sponge after I go in with the brush, just because it gives me a more flawless finish, even finish. And I'm going to set with my Morphe setting powder. I don't know what this bronzer is called off the top of my head, but it is from Makeup Revolution, and I know it's in the shade medium. I really like this one because it's like the perfect color for me. It's a little too dark, I guess, for everyday wear, but I like it because it's like the perfect too dark. Like, it just gives me a really bronzy look, and I just love it. Then we're just gonna add some blush. I have fallen so deep in love with blush. Okay, baby, that's all. I was a little too much, because now I look gray. I added like this orange glitter mix underneath of my eyes. It's like a chunky glitter, just to add a little bit more pop. And then this lip liner is from, where is this lip liner from? It's from Sistar Cosmetics in the shade, I think, Earthly Brown. It's my favorite brown lip liner. And I also don't know what color this is I use on my lips. I just know it's from NYX. It's one of their soft mattes. But mine was kind of dried out. I don't think I've ever used this, and it's like dried out. So yeah, if I find a name though, I'll put it in the description box. That's it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this look, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.